So I thought just to give you an update on some of the stocks that we trade. So today I'm just going to look at SPY. So overall, we look at the multi-time frame analysis. So obviously, starting from the left, we have weekly, and we have the daily, and we have the 240, and then we have the 60 and 30. These are the ones that we're interested in to see what's happening with the trend. Now, as you can see on the weekly, we are actually going up. We're still going up on the daily, but we've had a sell signal on the daily. We've also had a sell signal on the 4-hourly. These tend to play out quite well. And as you can see then on the 60-minute, we're kind of effectively one time framing down. We haven't actually had a sell signal on the 60. And just having a quick look at the 30, we have had a sell signal here. So that was this morning at 8 o'clock. I'm just going to move the quote board out of the way so you can see the price. That was at pretty much 405. Now, obviously, you can't trade this particular option before they open through one of our accounts, which is Tasty. So if we jump to the 3-minute chart for seeing when we can have an entry. Now, literally, we don't trade the first 30 minutes normally. Bin trend traders, we like to see what the opening range is. And sometimes this can work against us, sometimes it can work out for us. 9 times out of 10, it tends to work for us. As you can see, this popped and then came down. So we wait to see what's happening. We see to see whether or not we're trending or whether we're ranging. And obviously, you can see there we've got quite a nice trend. This is the trend rod. So obviously, you can see it's coming down, and this is the IB. Now, the green dot is for buying, but we don't buy below the trend rod if we're going down. And if we're going down, we're looking for a blue dot for a sell signal. That's when we got this today. And that was at 402.80. Call it 402.80, right at the bottom of the candle. So where did it go from there? Well, from there, it went down 2.5 points as we speak. At that point, it went to 2 points. Pretty much that would have been a nice focus to get out. I mean, basically, what we say is pay yourself on the push. So you could have paid yourself there after 1 point. Now, 1 point would be worth $50 contract. So that's $65 a contract on that. Contract would probably cost you about $200. So again, obviously you can come out there, pay yourself on the push. When it comes back to the moving average 8, which is here, you could then effectively sell again and then get in on another trade, 1.5 points this time. Or you can hold, depending on what your style is. So, but this was a really good signal, and I just thought I'd bring it up and show you what we do. So we always look at the multi-time frame analysis. We'll look at where we are. And I'm going to just look at the Qs as well. So we're looking at SPY now. We're just going to jump to the Qs. So effectively doing the 2 big indexes. SPY obviously is based on the S&P 500. And then the Qs is based on the Nasdaq 100. So I'm just going to bring this back. So you can just see the multi-time frame analysis on the NAS. Now, interestingly, we did have a bullish signal on the NAS on the daily. And that did play out, as you can see, last week. So obviously, on the 30th, jumped up, and that was a big jump up. Now, jump into the 4-hourly. Did we have any signals? No, we didn't. We didn't have any signals there whatsoever. So, moving to the hourly. You do tend to get some good signals on the hourly and the half-hourly on the Qs and the SPY. So as you can see there, we've got a bearish signal. We have got a bullish signal there as well. The bearish signal did play out for a few points, so but not much. And I'm just going to move. Oops, 2 secs. That's all the watches. The watch ones. We're just going to move that over there just for 2 moments onto one of the other screens. So today, what did we have? Nothing coming through. We had a bullish signal on Friday, but nothing on the Qs. So on the overall time chart on 60, so we're driving down a little bit further down. Nothing again on the 30, and then dropping to the 15. We had a couple of bullish signals, which were counter trend signals, which we don't tend to take. So if we're going down, then we need to see it turn before we'd actually take that trade. So just jump into the trend system that we have developed to see what signals we got, if any, off this. So again, we got a sell signal after the IB, and we've got a sell signal here. So in fact, that one would have got you 2 points. So we didn't actually trade the Qs today. So we didn't trade the Qs. The 3 indexes that we trade general and irregular basis is the Qs, SPY, and the Dow. And sometimes we do the Russell. So, but pretty much what we do works on any index. I hope you found this useful. And this is the update for the indexes for today, which is the 5th of December 2022. And we even have the Christmas music in the background to brighten your day up. Hope you found this useful. And I hope to see you soon. So subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. And obviously what we've got here, just to let you know, this is moving average 30. That is the road. We call it the no trend road. So basically, if price is just stuck in here all the time, i.e. here, it's a good example, we're not going to trade that. We want to see either side of the road, because you know what happens when you stand in the middle of the road? You do get knocked up, unless you're on a zebra crossing. Anyway, I just thought I'd brighten your day up, and hopefully you found this quite useful. That's my top tip today. Use the 35 with an ATR so that you can keep out of those non-trending trades.